Good morning everyone. See, today we will study laws of exponents. It is our lecture 2 of chapter 5, laws of exponents. See, if x is a rational number and a and b are whole number, then see, if it is given x to the power a into x to the power b is equal to what you have to write here, x to the power a plus b. If it is given only in multiple, you have to add the bases here, a plus b. If x is a rational number and a and b are whole numbers, then you have to add the numbers. See, one example is given to you, 3 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 4. So 3 is common here, base is common here, 3 to the power 3 plus 4 is equal to 3 to the power 7 is your answer. Okay. Now see, we can get the same result using the law given above, or you can use one more method. 3 to the power 3 means 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 to the power 4, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. See how many times 3 are given here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 3 to the power 7 means 3 is given here 7 times. Example number 9, find 2 by 3 to the power 3 into 2 by 3 to the power 4. Now see how you can do this. 2 by 3 into 2 by 3 into 2 by 3. First method I am showing you. By first method, into 2 by 3, 4 times you have to write here. How many times 2 by 3 became here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 2 by 3 to the power 7. And now second method. What is the second method? 2 by 3 to the power, 2 by 3 is common here, so take the base common. 3 plus 4 is equal to 2 by 3 to the power 7. Okay. Example number 10, minus 4 by 5 to the power 2 into minus 4 by 5 to the power 3. How to solve this? Now say minus 4 by 5 into minus 4 by 5. Now here 3 times, minus 4 by 5 into minus 4 by 5 into minus 4 by 5. How many times it became? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So minus 4 by 5 to the power 5. This is your first method. And by law, directly you can solve. Minus 4 by 5 to the power 2 plus 3 is equal to minus 4 by 5 to the power 5. Example number 11, 2 to the power 7 divided by 2 to the power 3 is equal to. Now divide is given here. So 2 to the power 7 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 divide by 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 times it is given here. Now see, if it is given in divide, the numerator and denominator is same, then you can divide it. 2 divide by 2, 1, 2 divide by again 2, this 2 divide by this 2. So how many 2's are remaining here? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So it will become 2 to the power 4. Now see example number 12, minus 3 by 5 to the power 5 divided by minus 3 by 5 to the power 3. Now see, minus 3 by 5 multiply by minus 3 by 5, minus 3 by 5, minus 3 by 5, 5 times it is given, minus 3 by 5, divide by minus 3 by 5, minus 3 by 5 into minus 3 by 5. So minus 3 by 5 to minus 3 by 5, you can divide it. So what is remaining here? Minus 3 by 5 into minus 3 by 5, that is 2 times it became. So minus 3 by 5 to the power 2. Now see example number 13. 3 by 4 to the power 4 divide by 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 divide by 3 by 4, 3 by 4, 3 by 4 into 3 by 4. It is given 4 times and it is given 1 time. So 3 by 4 to the power 3 times, it is remaining 3 times. Now see, let us explore what happens in case if it is given x to the power a divided by x to the power b. In this case what you have to do, where a is smaller than b. Now see, this only we have solved before. If it is given 3 to the power 2 divided by 3 to the power 6. So 3 to the power 3 into 3, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. You can divide 3 by 3. 1 is remaining here. Now 1 by 3 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. See 4 times 3 is remaining here. If you divided it, 1 is remaining here. So 1 by 3 to the power 4 will remain your answer. See example number 14. 2 by 3 minus 2. Now minus 2 is given here. So for this you have to read out the law. X to the power minus a is equal to 1 by a. So if minus 2 is given there, means 1 by 2 by 3 to the power 2. It will become the denominator the whole number, because the power is given in minus. So you can put your numerator as 1 and denominator you can take the whole number, is equal to 1 by 2 by 3 into 2 by 3 is equal to 1 by 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9. So in this case what you will do, nothing is there in denominator, so you can write here 1 by 4 into 9 by 1. This 9 you can take here in, so 9 by 4. Or if you are not taking it like this 1 by 4 by 9, directly you can take to 9 here. 9 by 4 is your answer. See example number 15. See in this case what you will do, if it is given 3 square whole 4, means multiply will get 3 to the power 8. Now how? 3 to the power 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. It means 3 to the power 8 is your answer. For this you have to remind x to the power a power b. So x to the power a into b, or x to the power a b. See example number 16. 5. Now 5 to the power 3 into 2. So 5 to the power 6 is your answer. Now see solution number 17. Question number 17. Now see, if x is a rational number other than 0, then x to the power 0 is equal to 1. That you have to remember. Then now some questions are given here. Observe that x to the power 3 divided by x to the power 3 is equal to x to the power 3 minus 3 is equal to x to the power 0. Now see, in this case what you have to do, if x to the power 3 divided by x to the power 3 is given, so if divide is given you have to take out the minus, so x to the power 3 minus 3 is equal to x to the power 0, so x to the power 0 is equal to 1. Now second method, when you are solving by second method, x to the power 3 divided by x to the power 3, when you are dividing it, what will remain here? 1. So 1 is your answer. See example number 17. 5 to the power 2 divide by, now see 5 to the power 2 minus 2, because divide is given here, so 5 to the power 0, so 5 to the power 0 is equal to 1. Now see, if we are finding by second method, 5 into 5 upon 5 into 5, when we are dividing it, we will get here 1. See now, if a and b are rational numbers and m is any whole number, then a to the power m upon b to the power m is equal to a upon b to the power m. See, if example is given here, 3 to the power 2 divided by 5 to the power 2 is equal to 3 by 5 to the power 2. Means what we have taken here, because the powers are same, so you can take it in whole numbers. See now, before solving exercise questions, I will give you some laws. You have to note it down. This you have to write in your classwork copy before solving the exercise. Okay. So by this laws you have to try to solve out your exercise questions. So we will solve some questions of exercise 5b. Exercise 5b. Simplify the following. Your first question is simplify the following: 2 to the power 3 into 5 to the power, 2 to the power 5. Now which law you can use here? X to the power a into x to the power b is equal to x to the power a plus b. This law you can use here. So 2 to the power 3 plus 5 is equal to the power 8 is your answer. Second question, 7 to the power 2 into 7 to the power 3 is equal to 7 to the power 2 plus 3 is equal to 7 to the power 5. Third one is similar that you can do. See D, 3 by 2 to the power 3 into 3 by 2 to the power 2. So solve 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 into 3 by 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many times it is given here? 3 to the power 2, 3 by 2 to the power 5. How? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It is given 4 times. And by second method, by Low's method, you can use here 3 by 2. Common numbers are given, 3 plus 2 is equal to 3 by 2 to the power 5 is your answer. Now see F, a to the power p into a to the power q. It means again this law, same law, x to the power a into x to the power b is equal to x to the power a plus b. Means a to the power p plus q is the answer. After that you cannot solve p plus q, you cannot add it, so your answer will remain a to the power p plus q. Now see, simplify the following question number second, that you have to solve. Remaining questions you have to solve only second question. Simplify the following. That is very easy. See, one I will solve. 2 to the power 3 see this law, which law is given here? X to the power a b is equal to x to the power a into b, or x to the power ab. Okay, this law, by this law you can solve it. Okay, question number G, we will solve according to the example. One example is given there, and some laws will be used here. So for first question, simplify the following, leave question number Z, H also leave, that we will solve in our next lecture. Simplify the following question number second. These 3 questions you have to solve. Okay, thank you.